Need the perfect trading pin for your softball team? You're in the right place. Our ordering process is fast and easy. And our artwork, price quote, and shipping is free. At softballtradingpins.net, we strive to provide the best experience from the ordering process, artwork creation, to delivery. To get started, just think about the design you want on your team pin. Some of the most common elements are the team logo, team name, mascot, and player numbers. You can either send a sketch, a vector file, or even a written description. We offer a maximum of 6 revisions for free, and most of the time, you won't even need to use them all. Once you have your team pin design ready, visit our website and click on Get a Free Quote. Enter your contact information, as well as all the information about your team pin on our quote form. Here, you can choose things like pin type, size, and order quantity. If you find some of the options confusing, or if you're undecided, choose the Not Sure option, and we'll help you make an informed decision later. Upgrade options are also available further down the form if you want to make your pin stand out. Again, if you aren't sure which upgrade to choose, our customer care agents can help you make the right upgrade option that is perfect for your pin and budget. Attach your sketch or design files and add any details you want us to know. Remember, if you have questions during the ordering process, you can always use the live chat feature on our website to speak with one of our customer care representatives in real time. Within a few business days, your dedicated designer will send you a proof via the email you provided on the form. This will show the design of your team pin and include any additional options you may have selected. If there's something you would like changed, your dedicated designer will provide up to 6 free revisions to ensure your trading pin design reflects the uniqueness of your team. Once you're happy with the design, let us know, and we'll send you the proof for electronic approval and the invoice via email. Once you've signed off and the invoice is paid, your trading pin will enter the production phase. Every single pin will be inspected for quality assurance, individually packed, and sent to you tracked and insured within 14 to 21 days of your order. If you have any questions about ordering, call or visit us at softballtradingpins.net and chat with us. We know you have a choice when ordering your softball pins, and we are honored to have you as a customer.